Hi and welcome to Zovion Academy, a powerful and user-friendly e-learning platform built entirely in Zoho Creator, designed for both students and instructors. Zovion Academy allows you to create, manage, and track courses with ease using Zoho's robust low-code environment. Whether you're here to teach or to learn, this platform provides a scalable and intuitive space to support your goals. In this presentation, we'll walk you through the key features of the systems, from enrolling in a course to publishing and managing content as an instructor. So let's begin in the student portal. So in this dashboard, let's start looking at the central hub for learners. Here, students can track course progress and access learning materials. So the top section displays key widgets. So first is the total courses, which shows the number of enrolled courses of the student. And next is the not yet started, courses that haven't been started, in progress, active, ongoing courses, and completed, courses fully completed by the students. So below the widgets, students can refine their view using filter and search options, including search bar, where you can search the title of each courses, like this one. I'm doing it by typing the keywords uh, of the course. So next is the all courses for filter, where you can filter the free courses or paid courses. And next is the all categories, which you can filter out by the type or category of courses. And all status, where you can filter the status where it is but classified as not yet started, in progress, or completed course. So looking at the bottom right corner of your page, users can toggle between any theme they prefer to. So there is a light mode, a bright and clean interface, dark mode ideal for low light viewing, and system mode, which automatically adapts to your device theme setting. So looking down at the courses section, each course is presented as a card containing elements, naming as title, which clearly displays the name of the course, the progress tracker, which shows the learner's completion status as a percentage, and it includes a visual progress bar, which you can see here for a quick reference, and the chapter count. You can see here it's one chapter only, and looking at this other course, it shows 13 chapters, so it indicates how many chapters are included in the course. There is also a tag that displays the cost of the course. Courses may be marked as free or show the currency value. For example, here there is a 299 price. So let's go jump to the browse tab. So in this tab, the browse tab in the Zovion Academy allows students to explore available courses and enroll at their own pace. So it is designed to provide an intuitive, searchable, and categorized course discovery experience. So from here, you can also search a course that you want to enroll with. So for example, simplify. So you can see here that each time you enter a uh, title or keyword that the course may contain, it will show the results. So next thing is the all courses, where you can filter it out by the free courses or paid courses, and the categories by the type or category of the course. So jumping into the settings, so in here, this settings page allows users to manage their personal information, preferences, and track course progress. So it is divided into tabs and detailed panels. So right here we have profile, where you can view and edit personal details, account likely used for email passwords, UI team settings, notifications, and display preferences. So if we go back to the course, so these are the two courses that the student have. So students can begin a course after enrolling. Additional chapters or courses will remain lack until the students start the course. So more so, uh, other chapters are yet unlocked, but it will be uh, unlocked until you have finished these four initial courses. So by clicking the Start Course button, you will be taken to a page displaying the list of chapters. Students are prompted to select a chapter on the left to begin a course. A progress bar at the top shows overall completion. So for example, we so right here it says that the learner have completed the course, but the learner has also the ability to revert that action. So for example, right here now the learner can set as incomplete a chapter. So you can see that the progress bar is decreased or back to 92%. So whenever a chapter marked as complete or all the chapters have been complete by the learner, there is a congratulatory message that will be displayed. Congratulations, you've completed 100% of this course. So right here in your top screen, you can see a documents button. This should present on the page where supported attachments for the chapter is included that can be viewed or downloaded. But as for now, in this course, it doesn't have any attachment. And so, if we want to check the dashboard if the widgets is working connectedly with the courses. So for example, we will revert this one. So this should be an incomplete. If we go back to the widget, it says that this course is in progress. And if we go back to that course and mark it as complete, it will also update the completed widget. And so that's it for the student portal, and now we are going to the instructor portal. So the instructor dashboard offers a real-time insights into course engagement, learner progress, chapter activity, and instructor metrics. It is divided into multiple sections for ease monitoring and decision making. So here is the dashboard summary cards or the widgets. So first is the total courses, which shows the total number of all courses created. The public courses, which shows the number of courses visible to learners. The drop courses, which shows the number of unpublished or in progress courses. And the chapters published, total chapters across all courses. Next is the enrollees widget, which shows the number of active students enrolled. And lastly, the instructors widget, which shows the number of instructors in the system. So in here we can see that there is only one instructor, so it shows one instructor. And if we go to the analytics sections, it shows the enrollment growth. So the enrollment growth shows a line chart showing the number of enrollments over time, includes total enrollment count and growth trend since a specific date. And beside the enrollment growth is the courses by category, a donut chart displaying the distribution of courses among categories. So the categories here is programming, customer service, project management, and accounting. We can also see the top active learners for your courses. So this is a list of students ranked by numbers of courses enrolled. So next is the weekly new enrollees, which shows the line graph showing how many students enrolled weekly. And next is the courses published per month, that shows a bar graph how many courses were published in each month. So this is categorized by month. And going down here is the metrics of the courses and contents that you have. So first is the chapters per course, which shows a horizontal bar chart that tells how many chapters each tab course contains. So next is the enrollees per course, that shows the track record of how many students are enrolled in each course. And right here is the teacher courses page. So down here is the recent courses completed, which shows the learner who finished and shows the date where they have finished the course. So jumping into the teacher courses page allows the instructors to manage all of their courses in one place. From here, teachers can view course details, monitor publishing status, organize course content, and track pricing categorization. So we also have the filter options, just like what we have in the other dashboards. So first is the search bar, which allows the instructors to search by the title, so like that, and the status filter, which shows which courses are marked as drop, and you can also filter it by all the courses which is already published, or you can do both. And next is the category, which filters by course category, just like what we have in the other uh, tabs. So from here you can also see a add new course button. So you just have to click, or the teach instructor just have to click this button to initiate the course creation process. So looking down here, you can see the course titles and the statuses and the course price. So to start creating a new course, you just have to click this add new course and create a title. So for example, Zoho Forms and Zoho CRM integration, and click continue. So to set up a new course, you have to customize your course by clicking the edit title. So in our case, we have changed the title from Zoho Form and Zoho CRM integration to integrating WP Forms to Zoho CRM using Zoho Flow. So in that case, we should click the save button to apply the changes and update. So next is the course image, where you need to upload a thumbnail for your course. So the recommended aspect ratio is 16:9. So click the edit image and browse or drag and drop an image for this course image. So in our case, we will be browsing from our local files, so thumbnails, and I have saved it in this folder. We will choose this one as the thumbnail. So Zoho CRM using Zoho Flow. And next part is adding a description to outline what learners will gain. So here you will create a description for your course. So basically here, students or learners will learn students will learn integrating WP forms to Soho CRM using Soho Flow. So Flow will be the middle Soho application that will bridge WP forms to Soho CRM for like uh, updating module entry, creating a record in a module in the CRM. So that will be what the students will gain or learn by enrolling in this course. So next is choosing the right category for your course. So here we can select the option of category. So in our case, let's categorize it for now as included in the programming, and just click save for each description and course category. S- I haven't saved the image, so let's retake it. Alright, that's it. And let's jump to the course chapters. So in this section, we will begin building our content structure. So it's for us if we will divide it into chapters. So the section shows what chapters will the learners should take. So let's click the button add chapter. So to begin with, let's copy this one and select and create this chapter as the first chapter. So part 1, let's click save. So the status of your chapter is still on a draft status, so you need to configure the settings for this first chapter. So in this chapter, before publishing it, we need to fill up all the mandatory sections for this chapter. So we already have the title and we need the description. Let's just copy this one just for testing. Click save. So the chapter access, this chapter is free for preview, and so the last part that we need to do is uploading the video for this chapter. So let's begin it by browsing it into our local file. Let's jump to marketing videos and select the part 1 for the first chapter. So please take note, in uploading video, you cannot upload a video greater than 50 MB in size. Good thing that this video that we have just uploaded is only 23.2 MB. So if you are decided to use this video, just click upload. And so after filling up the required information or sections for your first chapter, you can then click this publish, or before publishing it you need to make sure, so click the preview button. For now it's under development, and so we can proceed publishing this first chapter. So thank you for the confetti. That's a complimentary confetti coming from the system that you have just successfully uh, uploaded or published a chapter. So let's get back to the course setup. So by creating another chapter, you need to click the add chapter again, and so let's add the part 2. Click save, and as we have done in the part 1, we will just click the edit and fill in the description and upload the second chapter of your course. Alright, that's it. So we need to click the publish button, and thanks, we have successfully uploaded the second chapter. So before publishing the actual course or the whole course, you need also to set the course price. So in here you are allowed to select your preferred price for your course, and for now we will just set it to 0 to make it a free course. So just click save, and it will display a message that this course is free. So under that, there's also a resource and attachment section where you can add supporting materials for your course. So in choosing a file, you can choose any file that is up to 50 MB but not greater than 50 MB. So you can also add supporting video if you like, image, PDF, or any documents. So just for example, we uploaded a video again. Uh, Take note that the attachment that you will add in here in this section can be a downloadable and and can be a readable access for the learners who will enroll in this course that you are creating. So if we are looking to the progress bar, it still says that there is still one uh, required field remaining. And let's review. So we have just add the course title, the image, we even add course chapters, we have set the price, we have also uploaded a resource and attachment. Okay, so right here we missed the category, so we will finish what we need to fill in to be able to publish this course. So course category, we will select a category, select programming, and click save. So it's is now ready to publish. So just click publish, and if we go to the courses tab, it's there saying that uh, the course is available for all the learners. Let's check to the mm, learners portal if this course is also added. And now we are on the portal view of a learner's Zovion Academy account. So if we go to the browse tab and we will look for the new course that we have just added, it's right here, and it says that it's free, so the learners can be able to enroll now for the new created course. So right there, you can start the course now. So right there, it shows all the chapters that this course includes. So just go with the chapter, and so if we mark as complete, it shows a 50% complete progress indicator right there. And if we go back to the dashboard, it shows that there is one course that is in progress and one that is not yet started. So this is the course that has not yet been started on. So the one is in progress. So this is the in progress course, and which one is the completed. So this is it. And let's go back to the instructor portal, and now we will manage the courses that we have. For example, we will manage this course, and let's check. So this shows the information about your course, including the chapters, prices, research attachment, description, and category. And if we jump into the enrollees tab, it shows the real-time learning progress of students in each course. So each student's name, email, progress status, chapter completion count. So it's accurate because the learner that we have just opened earlier has just completed the first chapter. So this is it right here. Wherein the first chapter is already completed, and the other chapter is not yet been started. So the most recent activity timestamps are displayed too. So basically, this tab enables instructors to monitor engagement and follow up with the learners as necessary. So into the next tab, it's the setting the wherein it allows the instructors to delete the course, including all the historical data it contains from the day it is being published and up to the date that he decided to delete this course. And the next thing is a very important tab wherein it helps uh, the instructor to monitor all the analytics data that contains the the enrollment growth, the active learners, the overtime learners that completed each courses. Let's take a look in that tab. So in here, it's the analytics tab. So this course analytics tab offers instructors a detailed overview of course performance, learner activity, and engagement metrics. It provides a real-time data to help educators track student progress, identify top performing learners, and evaluate content effectiveness over time. So in here, uh, it shows the summary statistics where enrolled shows the number of learners enrolled, the published chapters, the total available chapters. So this is correct because we have two chapters in this course. So the completion, so this tells the number of learners who finished the course, and the unpublished chapters created but not yet visible to learn. So this one tells that if there's a chapter in here but not yet published, so it tells the counts of chapters where the status is unpublished. So going down to the next tab, which is the recent enrolled students. So this displays a list of most recently enrolled learners, showing the student name, email address, enrollment date, and the chapter progress. And next is the learner progress status, which shows a pie chart visualizing the current distribution of learners by progress level. So it shows the completed, in progress, and not started status. And into its right side, the enrollment growth, where a line graph displaying the number of new enrollments over time. Useful for tracking outreach effectiveness, marketing impact, or peak sign up periods. So next is the top active learners, which this section ranks students by engagement and progress, displaying learner avatars, chapters completion counts. This also helps instructor identify the most engaged participants. So if there are any active learners who enrolled in this course, it will be shown here, and it also ranks students by the engagement and progress. So The next side is the activity over time, which shows the line graph showing platform usage by learners across selected dates. This is also a great for understanding daily engagement patterns. So we have just created this course. That's why it's only shows August 3. But if in the next week, this can tell over time the activity uh, engagements for this course. And next tab is the learners or who completed all chapters. So this is a cumulative graph showing how many students completed the entire course on a monthly timeline. So for example, in the month of August, there are 5 learners who completed all chapters. In the next month, September, two another learners who completed all the chapters. So basically, this is very helpful for monitoring and tracking all the learners who have just finished the courses. So going down is the course attachments, where it shows the attachments that is included in these courses, where learners can download it and view it. And as an admin ability, I will show you how to add users, learner, or instructors. So to begin with, you will go to the Manage Users tab and click the Add button. Just fill in the data information that is required for adding a new user. So let's add the full name. For example, CRM Carpenter, and use the email, team at the crmcarpenters.com, and select a type. So we will now just add a instructor, an image. Okay, let's use this as profile picture and cover image. But we will add uh, some other time to update this cover image. This one is not mandatory, and let's click add. So for successfully adding this user as an instructor, CRM Carpenter, this user should have received a invitation email, and we will check it out. And so there's email that uh, invites the user. The only thing he just have to do is select the accept invitation. So after signing up with the invitation, the new added instructor will gain the access of a teacher or instructor, so he can also uh, add a new course or edit a course, update any information about the course and everything. He can also track records. He is able to access the dashboard analytics, can browse course, and has also the ability to update profile, change passwords, and manage notification preferences. You can also manage users, manage categories, settings, and browse in course, dashboard, and everything. And so let's get back again in adding a learner. So let's get back here, and now we will be adding a learner. So let's create a new full name, October Carpenter, and the existing email. Select learner as I type, and image, just a sample image. Okay, for example. Okay, and then we have just added an image for the display picture. Let's click add, and for sure this user has received a invitation. So right there, there's an invitation received by the email that we used to add. So October Carpenter received a email. We will create a password for it. So you can choose your own password. Oh, we miss a single letter. So there it is. Okay, so the newly added learner can start browsing all the courses the that the Zovion Academy platform has. So let's begin by getting any courses that we like. So he can enroll for free and start the course. And this will be added to the dashboard courses. Let's browse another sample course. Okay, so right here you can see a document button, and this shows the attachment that is included in this course. You can view it and also download the attachment. There is also another way of signing up into this Zovion Academy platform by a link. So this is the link. Anyone from the internet can access and sign up for the Zovion Academy portal. And if we use it into a incognito tab, anyone can sign in and be a part of the learner community in the Zovion Academy portal. And so that's it. How can anyone in the internet can access the portal or sign up for the Zovion Academy platform? And may we show you how we add the video, what platform we are using, or the third party application that helps us to make the video uploaded can only be viewed but cannot be downloaded. So we are using the max data, wherein we are generating token and we add it as a variable here in the Zoho Creator app. This allows us to prevent learners to download each video that is say stored in the chapters of a courses. So that's it. That is the everything that the Zovion Academy has to offer. And please enjoy and review our video and give us feedback to help us improve this application. Thank you for watching.